Is the indoor air you breathe really healthy? DT320 is an advanced, configurable indoor air quality sensor aimed at building automation. Through built-in wireless module, users can monitor the level of methanol, ammonia, ethanol and cigarette remotely. Accurate data, stable performance, high sensitivity. There are 3 options: connectivity, NB-IoT, LoRaWAN, Sigfox. Users can check data on Dingtech software application or their own to achieve scientific management. With small size, it can be easily fixed on top ceiling or side wall, widely applicable for a variety of indoor places, especially for factories, public toilets, schools, airports, stations, office buildings, and so on.